Hi, it's Barbara. I'm just popping on here to say hello. It's been a while since I've made a video, a long time actually, and wanted to take this opportunity to wish you a truly happier 2021 and a safe 2021. After a horrific year last year, let's hope and pray that it gets a whole heck of a lot better this year. We all deserve it. I'm listening to this wonderful salsa, which has always been at the core of me. I've always loved to dance. What is it that has inspired you this past year? We all need a little bit of inspiration in our lives, don't we? So this music actually, this salsa is called Ayúdeme Inspiración, which means help me to be inspired, and I thought it was apropos to use for this video because I want to inspire you with your interior design and interior decorating projects in your home, and want to bring you some information through these videos and through other content on my blog and other social platforms, Instagram and Facebook, about kitchen design and decorating. So I also have been baking a lot and cooking a lot this past year and would love to share some of my favorite recipes with you, so look out for those on my blog and maybe sometimes on a video. So thank you for connecting with NIKKA Design, and if there is any project that you are looking to undertake in your home and you need some professional design help, please reach out to me at info@nikkadesign.ca, or give me a call. You'll find that information on my website at nikkadesign.ca. So stay safe, be happy, and keep on dancing. Thanks.